Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a shop page on WordPress. So as you can see right here, I am on my WordPress account. Okay, so just make sure that you already signed up and then created your account here on WordPress. Okay, so to do that, you just have to open any of your web browser and then just have to open a new tab and then you just have to type out WordPress. Okay, and then you'd be able to see this website right here, the second website. So just simply click on this one. Okay, and then after that, you just have to create your account. Okay, now as you can see right here, I also have my Amazon influencers and associate site Stripe account. So here on Amazon, this will be the location where I'll be getting all of the products that I am going to sell on my WordPress. Okay, so you have to make sure that you have created your Amazon site Stripe account. So just have to open a new tab and make sure to type out Amazon affiliate program. That's right. And then you'd be able to see this Amazon Associates website. So you just have to simply click on it. And then you just have to follow all of the steps in order for you to create your Amazon site Stripe account. Now, why do we need to create an Amazon affiliate account? It is because we can use our Amazon affiliate link to get commissions. For example, using this item or this product, we can sell this using our Amazon affiliate link. So we can get a commission rate that is 3% from this product. Okay, so after creating your Amazon Stripe account, so you just have to leave this page for now and then go back to your WordPress account. So here on WordPress, what I am going to do next is to create a new page. Okay, so to do that, you just have to simply click on this new option at the top or this page option at the left side of our screen. Just have to click on the pages and you'd be directed to your pages section right here. Okay, now to create a new one, just simply click on it and click on this page option. That's right, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then right here, we just have to give this page a name. Okay, you can also choose a pattern if you want to, but I'm going to build everything from scratch. Okay, and then here I'm just going to name this one as shop here. Okay, and then you can also edit the element, the font if you want to. Then after that, we are going to type or choose a block right here. Now, how we can choose or add a block, you just have to click on this plus icon. That's right. And then here, make sure to click on the browse all option. Okay, right here on the block section, we have text, we have media, we have design, and we have widgets. So in this section, I am going to add an image. Okay, so I'm just going to select this one. And what we are going to do next is to upload here the image of the product. Okay, so you just have to go back to Amazon and then make sure to download all of the needed images. So for example, this one, you just have to click on it and then right click the image and then just have to click on save image as. Okay, and then you just have to make sure to save it in your folder. Okay, now after saving the image, the next thing that you are going to do is to go back here on your WordPress account, then go to your page. Here, we're just going to upload the product image and then select the image. Okay, so after that, just wait for a couple of seconds. Now, the next thing that we are going to do here is to add a button that will help our customers to visit that product. Okay, and then when they purchase this product, of course, we are going to get our commission. So next thing that you're going to do is to add here your button. Okay, so just find the button option. Let me just find the button. So here it is. Just simply click on it and then type out right here, like for example, buy now. Okay, next thing is to add here the link of the product. So you have here the link icon. Just simply click on it and then go back to Amazon and make sure to click on the get link. Okay, now we cannot get the link of this product if we did not create our account for the Amazon site Stripe. So that's the reason why we need to create one before we can get the link of this product or the affiliate link of this product from Amazon. Okay, so just click on it and then paste here the link. That's right, and click on enter. Okay, so now the link of the product is here. You can now add here the name of the product. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to just add a new block right here. Okay, and I'm just going to add a title for this product. So for example, just want to add a text, you just have to go back to Amazon. That's right, and then make sure to copy the name of this product. That's right, and then type it right here. Okay, so we have now the name of the product, we have the image of the product, and then the button or the link of the product. Now let us try to publish this page. Okay, and then click on publish after that. Now let us visit our page. Okay, so right here, as you can see, we have now the navigation bar at the top. We have the about section and then the other navigation bar. And of course, the page that we have created recently. Okay, so just simply click on it and then you'd be able to see here now your shop page. So when someone visits your WordPress website and they see this page, then they just have to click on the buy now option. They want to purchase this product, and once they did that, they'd be directed to the Amazon website. And when they purchase this product again, of course you are going to get your commission for this product. Now going back here, of course we want to add more products, right? So you just have to do the same. Now if you would like to add design to your page, you want to add a background color, so you just have to simply click on them and then you just have to add the details that you want to add. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.